Hey guys, Kareen here. So this week we're going to use some of the skills that we did in the last video about the chopping and the dicing and the knife skills. And we're going to make this amazing chicken soup. It's definitely that time of year where everybody's starting to get sick and feeling down and it's cold. So chicken soup is amazing. It's a great source of collagen, which boosts your immune system. And then you can put any vegetables that you really want in it to really make it nutrient dense and filling and everything. So join me, let's go. Start by browning the chicken in a pan, seasoned with salt and pepper. And as the chicken's browning, we're gonna dice 3 ribs of celery, 2 carrot, and then a whole onion. So remove the chicken and then want to add the diced carrot, onion, and celery. And we are just going to stir this until they become a little bit translucent. Add some salt and pepper and just toss to combine. Added 2 cloves of minced garlic. I'm gonna add in the chicken back to the pot and then cover with veggie broth. And I'm gonna put in 8 cups of vegetable stock. I'm also just gonna add 2 bay leaves, a sprig of thyme, and a tablespoon of oregano. And while that's coming to a boil, let's get the rest of our vegetables ready. Now that the soup has come to a boil, we're going to add in our root vegetables. So to the pot, I've added 3 chopped potatoes and 1 chopped sweet potato. We are going to cover and bring this back up to the boil. So the soup has been boiling now for about an hour and the potatoes and carrots have boiled down quite nicely. Now what I'm going to do is add about 8 cups of spinach and then let this simmer down into the soup. So guys, thanks for tuning in this week. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. Chicken soup is one of those things that it's great if you know how to just throw it together. All you need is chicken and broth and then whatever vegetables you kind of have on hand. And you can make a really, really hearty soup that'll last all week, that you can feed a crowd, that is awesome for those cold winter nights that you are staying inside, maybe watching some Netflix or whatever. So have a great week, eat well, work hard, and seize wellness. I'll see you in the next one.